Joshua Walker is usually very disciplined in his diet and exercise routine. But when it comes to special occasions with family, he allows a little wiggle room.
If grandma made an apple pie that you just looking at and it's just speaking your name, like just go eat it. Eat a slice. Like it's not going to hurt you.
If you can point to your belly button for me.
Registered dietitian Sarah Ream agrees, emphasizing there's no need to include a side of guilt with holiday treats.
Those holidays come around once a year. It's absolutely okay to indulge in those special once-a-year traditional recipes and special foods every once in a while.
Ream says consistency is key and that healthy habits will not be derailed by a few cookies or casseroles. Yet a new national survey by Orlando Health finds nearly 2 in 5 Americans worry about how much they eat over the holidays.
I see more anxiety about weight gain than I do see actual weight gain around the holidays.
The survey also found many combat overindulgence with misguided measures that may be counterproductive, like the 25% of people who believe they should skip meals to save calories before holiday gathering.
It's a lot easier to make healthier decisions when we're not hungry.
Or the 1/3 who think their body needs a cleanse or detox once the holidays are over, which Ream says can lead to low blood sugar or disrupt microbiome in the gut.
The liver and the kidneys do a great job of removing toxins from the body already, and they don't really need our help with juices and other, marketed supplements and things like that.
Instead, seek guidance from a registered dietitian.
You know that if somebody has an RD after their name, you can trust the nutrition information that you're getting from them.
It was Ream's expertise and assessment that helped Joshua develop a plan to help his healthy habits prevail in the new year.
You can always get back on track. You don't have to just fall off and then keep falling because of a holiday.
At Orlando Health, I'm Barb Consiglio.